Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the camera tricks on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. Okay, so let's launch the camera app and I'll show you the best things that we have on this device. Okay, maybe let's begin with the custom filters that we can set. If you don't know how to use it, filters are right in here when we are in the photo mode. We need to click on that icon and we can create our own filter. To do it, we need to click on that plus button and now we can select a picture to use as a filter. Simply, if you have some photos with, I don't know, cool colors in your gallery or even the screenshot, you can pick it from this list. For example, let's pick that one. That's the screenshot of my home screen. Now the AI will make a filter of it. Click on done and now the filter has been added into the whole list of all filters. So it has been successfully added. Also we can change its strength, the color temperature, the contrast and the saturation. So that's how you can create your own filter thanks to the AI. Pretty cool thing. Okay, also another cool thing is the burst shot. It's a little bit hidden. If you want to use it, you need to be in the photo mode, use 1x zoom, and you cannot have the filter applied. Now to create a burst shot, we need to click the shutter button and then swipe it into the right side and hold it. I'll show you how it works. Oh, let's try again. Oh, let's do it again. Okay, as you can see, I took around 30 photos thanks to the burst shot. Sometimes it takes a few tries because it doesn't want to detect it all the time in a good way, but simply take a few tries. And as you can see, this time it worked properly. So thanks to the burst shot, we can take up to 30 photos. We can use our camera as a machine gun and took a lot of photos. Of course, all of them are saved in here. You need to click on that number, and in here we have all of those photos. Of course, you don't need to, delete each one separately. You can simply select all items and delete them. Pretty easy. Okay, next thing is the more, and of course the Pro mode for photos and the videos. When it comes to the Pro mode, in here we can adjust things such as white balance, the exposure and the ISO. So if you're a kind of person who likes to change all the values that are possible for the perfect photo, the Pro mode is highly recommended for you. Okay, when we boost the exposure, the light boosts and the white balance works in that way, so we can get a little bit warmer colors or colors. So that's when it comes to the Pro mode. I highly recommend using it for people who like to, just like I have said, to adjust all the values possible. Same thing with the Pro Video, but it's simply the same mode but for videos. Pretty simple. Okay, of course the night mode is the best to take the photos at night. But the coolest thing are when you click on that eye icon, it's the Bixby Vision. And in here we have a lot of options. For example, we have the color detection. It will simply detect the color, oh my bad, what currently is on the screen. It also has the voice,
white, silver, black, 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 Light grey. Black. Forest green.
Okay,
White. Green.
so you can see that it simply detects the
Bright
colors.
grey.
Now the text reader. If there's some text on the screen and when you take a photo, it will start reading it. In here I have some text. I'll take a photo of it and it should start reading the text. Okay.
6:41 p.m. 31/08/2025. Rec. Intro. Pause. Outro. Remove. Mute. Speed up. 31/8/2020.
Okay, next thing is the object identifier. It recognized it as a GPS. Maybe let's try with something else. Let's point again maybe on that plant.
Plant GPS. Plant GPS.
Okay, it says plant GPS. Now let's maybe point on that one.
Hair accessory. Hair accessory. Hair accessory. Ice cream.
Sometimes it doesn't recognize properly, but of course it depends. Now let's try with the scene describer. That's the next mode. So let's take a photo of something.
Analyzing scene. A blue succulent plant in a white pot.
Oh, this time it worked just like it should. The wine mode is for wines. Currently I don't have any wines to show you. The discover mode allows you to find to select the part of the screen and find the similar objects in the internet. So for example, in here we have links to the Pinterest with similar plants. Of course, we can open up the links and check them. Next thing is the text. Again, I need to find some text, so let me quickly take a photo. Okay. And it's simply selecting the text which is on the screen. Now, also you can tap the highlighted text, for example, to copy it, share with it, or we can click on select all, and it will select all the text which is on this photo. We can copy with it, we can copy it or share with it. And the translate option works in that way that it detects the text. And now we need to click on into what language we want to translate. So let's say we want to translate into, for example, the Finnish. And as you take a look, the words has been translated into the Finnish language. So that's how it mode works. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.